Guys, today is the day. It's finally happening.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.
So if you've been following the channel, you know exactly how much I wanted to do the swap or get hold of this motor, and today we are finally getting the opportunity to get the motor. It's a VR6, yes, for all of those subscribers who have been here from the beginning. You know exactly how much I wanted to get one of these motors and do a swap, and today is the day we're finally going to get our hands on one. So we are on our way, or we're going to make our way now to go and collect the VR6 motor, and then I will share a bit more about it once we get it. So yeah, guys, it's finally happened. I think I've said this from the beginning, from the first build, and each and every build I was like always wanting to do a VR6, and we finally have the opportunity. So I'm done speaking. We're gonna make our way now to go and collect the motor, and then I will show you exactly what we got and what we are working with. Go. Is it fun at the bottom here? We got the motor. I'm so excited. I can't explain how happy I am to finally get my hands on a VR6 motor. And when we collected the motor, we actually also collected something else. Let me show you guys. First drive in the VR6. Absolutely no VR6 sounds because the car doesn't drive just yet. But yeah, exciting times ahead. So a little backstory on the car. The car has been standing for 6 years. There was some noise on the engine for the previous owner, and he just parked the car. He also got another motor, so we got that in the deal as well. The plan would be to get this, or try and get this motor started, to see if we can pick up where the noise is coming from, and then we can do an assessment. So once we know, once we remove the motor, we know exactly what we're looking for on that specific motor, because I probably would like to rebuild that motor and put it into something else, and then we'll put this motor that we got with the car, that we'll put straight in, because that should be 100%. He bought that a couple of years ago. I'm not too sure where he bought it from, but yeah, that should be all good, the motor, so that should be a straight swap. The plan would be swap that motor and then rebuild the other motor for another project. Blake has given the car a wash. He's also put some shine, to get this black back on the trim. It's looking really nice. We've got the lights on in front over here. We still need to get the badge, the VR6 badge on there. And then we want to replace these lights, get the original lights back. This is broken. The cover on these lights, well, this one and that one is off. So that needs to be replaced. This is skew. The clip in this light is damaged, so I think we need to get a replacement for that, and then we can just realign and adjust that again. But the car's looking really nice. Haven't started it yet. The plan now is to try and get it started. My dad's just over here busy with the fuel pump. He's going to remove that because we have swung the car, but it did not start, so he wants to check out the fuel pump and then see if that needs to be replaced, and if that will get the car running. Inside it's fairly neat. The steering needs to be recovered. Then this, apparently it's a common thing. There's a lot of play in this, so we're going to try and fix that out. You can see, or fix that. Take this out over here and then get one of these bushes in there to just get rid of this play and have it nice and stiff. So we need to sort that out, or at least attempt that. And what else are we looking for? So steering needs to be redone. This also, we need to get one of those. And then the roof lining also needs to be replaced. It's slightly loose over here, and the color looks like it actually was replaced before, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, still needs to be cleaned up inside. Seats, not too bad. It could do with a recover, but to keep it original, we leave it like this for now. So my dad just got the pump out, and it looked like it was a bit seized, the pump, and we were going to replace the pump only, but we managed to get the complete pump and everything from Goldwagen for a decent price. So my dad went ahead and he got one. We're just waiting for that to be delivered, and then we can take it from there, fit the pump, and hopefully, fingers crossed, the car will start. So my dad and my brother got a bit ahead of themselves, which I completely understand. They put the pump in, and I also think they started the car up. I wasn't there, unfortunately, to get the first start up, but I'm making my way now to my dad's place, and then yeah, let's see what this thing sounds like. Look at them waiting for me. So we just got this battery powering that one to jump start it. I don't think is there water in your dad? No. It's not water in, but we did see, or my dad did pick up that one of these pipes were loose, so we're just gonna give it a quick start and won't run it too long to heat up. Yeah, everything is in, and we're gonna give it a first starter. Yeah. Okay, so it is a bit noisy on this side. Engine is a bit noisy, but we obviously knew that. But that's it, it starts up. Just gonna give it one more start up. That sound on its own. Okay, we don't want it to heat up too much, but it starts. VR6. That sound is all we've wanted on this channel for so long. We finally got it. So, plan of action would probably be take this motor out and then put the new one in, which is over here. And then this one will be rebuilt and maybe used as the next project. So that's it for this week's episode. I think we're going to call it there. A VR6, nothing beats that sound. But yeah, I think we're going to call it there. In the next episode, we're probably going to start stripping. Me and my dad and Blake were talking now. It sounds like it could be the chains and not the blow-net gasket, because the car seems to be idling okay without any misfire. Obviously, we didn't idle it for too long, but it seems to be fine, and it might just be the chains that pipe also was loose. So we'll make a decision what we're going to do, but that will be for the next episode, and I will see you guys then. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.